Today, I'm excited to bring you two more new updates to Design Space. Right now, both features are in beta and should be moving to live soon. And some of you may even be seeing some of this in live. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go to a blank canvas. We have two new things. One of them is spell check, and then the other one is shrink to fit. And I'll show you why shrink to fit can be very handy. Okay, let's grab some text. And we're going to put in a purposely misspelled word. As you can see, it's underlined, so it's warning you that it's spelled wrong. So we'll go fix that. Okay, now let's say I need a text box that is an exact size. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm putting text on a label that's already been pre-cut, or I'm putting it in a certain space on a card that needs to be an exact size. Let's make our text box, let's go 5. Well, 5 is close. We'll go 5 by about 2.5. We'll call that good. Okay, now go up here and click on your pencil, and then go over here where it says wrap on. Make sure wrap is on, and then go down here to shrink text. Now what this will do is it'll make it so that your text box stays the same size and all the text you enter in it stays exactly the same fit, so your box doesn't get bigger on you. Oh, and see, it caught another spelling error because I forgot to put in a space. There you go. See how it made the text smaller so it would fit inside that box? I think this shrink to fit is going to be an awesome addition for text when you're working on things where something needs to be exactly sized. I hope this helps you out, and I hope you enjoy the new spell check and the new shrink to fit, and happy crafting.